I figured that, and I'm sorry I pulled your hair.
You didn't pull my hair. You did?
I yanked it.
Oh, you did.
The sister relationship?
The sister relationship.
We would start fighting upstairs and make it all the way downstairs.
It's so complex.
What, that little thingy, the grater thingy?
I just want to do it an old-fashioned way.
Raising my job, big business.
Are you excited?
Right.
Are you happy, my baby?
So that's just how I am. So I could like never relate to them.
No, that's super.
And then we're gonna mix the liquids, like the oil, the salt, the sugar, and water in a separate one. I feel like this is not big enough for it, but I can always use that one. Whatever type of sugar, it would work. Because like it's easier when I put it in the flour and it's not all chunky. I don't have to worry about how to mix everything in there.
Ooh, okay.
No, it's okay. I'll suffer. I'll suffer.
Wow.
The onion was old.
Make sure I get all of that in.
Wait.
I'm off tomorrow.
You're off.
I'm off for 4 days.
Ooh, Bryce, while you're here.
Just a little, you think it's a little bit, it can go a long way. Orange juice.
Huh?
Just like, yeah, really soft, not sticky. And then we'll just like spread gel onto the counter.
White?
I love the process of making.
We don't want it to be this sticky later on. That's how we know we're good.
It's like with the actual grater thingy. Okay. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Rabbits.
Oh, when we were, yeah.
Can you help me get this, my sleeve?
Oh, yeah.
Just kind of, if you like kind of press into it, you can, and it's like supposed, it's actually supposed to get even softer than this.
It is.
Have you,
Oh, too.
and you leave it on high?
Yeah, just for a little bit.
Working together. Cooperation makes it happen.
Rude.
Yeah, this is like this one might need just a little bit.
A little bit more?
Yeah. We just check to make sure that they're even.
I didn't make 10.
Since you're the one who did that, oh no, yeah, that's perfect. Since you did it, just kind of go from.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Yeah. Aaron wrote the song for me. Yeah. These kids, the bowl.
And that place is always packed. You guys.
Royal.
This long stick thing that you can roll over.
Sometimes I just do this because with the layers, getting it this way, and then I just start doing this.
Oh, Blooper, you so crazy. Why? What is that?
Uh-oh. You okay?
You alright? Say to 90 degrees. So,
Ooh.
the vegetables, kind of spicy.
But they would wrap it, in Kenya they wrapped it in a chapati.
The boys and the husbands come and like rip a little piece off the
And take it and run. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Do your thing. Oh, was he?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Skylar, are you alright, baby?
It needs more.
I think I gave you a little.
I was gonna say I gave you a little spiral in the middle.
Yummy.
Action.
This one's ready to go.
Just want to get those edges nice and right.
Action.
Oh shoot, that didn't move.
Backtrack. All right, what are we making here, ladies and gentlemen?
Chapatis. Look at that.
Chapos.
That's pretty.
Chapati. You ready to party? That's chapati.
Ah.
Alright, then you want to turn.
Now?
Just
Turn
spread some of
now?
that oil. Make sure it's getting all over those. There you go.
Ah.
And once you
There
get
you
that
go. There you go.